Hey, Alias here, and today we're going to talk about mines and IEDs script. If you like me and prefer not to use Bohemia's modules, this simple script provides an alternative for Bohemia's minefield module. Using this script, you have a better control over mines or IEDs locations. The IEDs now are self-triggered, and as an option for more advanced scripters, the mines can be stored in an array that will allow a better manipulation like move, remove, blow up, replace the mines. To show you how it works, we open alias mine ini file. Here we have the parameters. The first one is called the marker center. It's not a marker used to place a mine. It only designates the area for the mine field. Then we have the radius. Is a number setting the radius of the area, having as a central point the position of the marker center. Then we have mine class name, which is the type of the mine or IED you wanna use. Here you have the list of vanilla assets you can use. Another parameter is the number of mines you want to place on the map. Next is the detect markers option. You need this parameter to be true if you want the script to use the empty markers you placed in editor for mine's position. The last parameter, if it's true, a hint message will be displayed to help you during mission editing, and the red dots will be placed on the map at mine's location. Okay, let's test a few examples to make clear how the script works. For the first one, I will use anti-personal mines. I already placed a marker called marker center on the map. 50 mines will be placed randomly 300 meters around the center marker. Here we have false because we don't want to use the markers to set the mine's position. And debug will be on so we can see the mines marked on the map with the red dots. I will copy this line for a quick test. We can see the mines marked on the map. They are placed randomly around the marker center. For the next example, we're going to place mines exactly where we placed empty markers. For this to work, the number of mines must be smaller or equal with the number of markers. All you need to do is to place one empty marker. Then with the copy paste you can place as many markers as you want and wherever you want. I have here some empty markers already placed and I'm going to jump in for a quick test. As you can see now, we have a mine at every marker location we placed in editor. Let's run the script now, but with the smaller number of mines. What we see here is that the script picked randomly markers where to place mines, basically because the mines are fewer than a number of markers. This can be very useful, especially if you plan to create a randomly generated mission which plays differently every time you run it. Now let's test the IEDs. I will use IED Urban Big, and I'm going to place them on pre-placed markers and debug is on again. Copy this line, open Arma, let's have a quick look. We can see the IEDs. In a single player you can run this script in a trigger and should work, but for multiplayer you better run it from another script in global space or in ETSQF file. We can see the IEDs. When it comes to IDs, I have used a simple workaround to make the ID blow up when an unit is in its proximity. To keep the script simple without impacting performance too much, near every ID a mine will be spawned, and when the mine blows up, the ID will blow up as well. So an engineer will have to deactivate both the ID and the mine to neutralize the threat. Now for advanced users, in alias mines SQF file, there is a variable called store mine array, which if is true, the script will store the mines in an array for later manipulation. Down below I have a small and simple example, and if I uncomment this block and run the mission, we'll see what that does. So if you want to create a mission and you're looking for a way to place mines in a simple way, but in places where mines will make sense to be, use this simple script. As you saw, the script is pretty flexible and it can fit different scenarios. As always, if you have suggestions, questions, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, have fun and happy editing!